Step into a world where nature dances with elegance, where every curve tells a story, and every detail whispers of a bygone era of artistic splendor. Join us on a mesmerizing journey as we unravel the secrets of Art Nouveau home decor, a spellbinding fusion of organic beauty and intricate craftsmanship. From the graceful lines inspired by nature's embrace to the opulent materials that breathe life into every piece, discover how Art Nouveau transforms homes into enchanting sanctuaries of artistic expression. Let's embark together on a voyage through time and design, where every corner holds a treasure waiting to be uncovered. Prepare to be captivated, prepare to be inspired. This is Art Nouveau like you've never experienced before. Organic forms. Art Nouveau emerged in the late 19th century as a reaction against the industrialization and mechanization of society. Influenced by the natural world, Art Nouveau designers sought to reintroduce organic forms into their creations. They drew inspiration from the curves and shapes found in plants, flowers, and flowing water. This is evident in the sinuous lines of furniture, the delicate curves of decorative objects, and the flowing contours of architectural details such as doorways and staircases. By incorporating organic forms, Art Nouveau sought to infuse living spaces with a sense of vitality and harmony with nature. Floral motifs. Flowers hold a special significance in Art Nouveau design, symbolizing beauty, growth, and renewal. Art Nouveau designers often depicted flowers in various stages of bloom, from delicate buds to full blossoms. These floral motifs were used extensively in wallpapers, textiles, stained glass windows, and decorative panels. Some artists, like Alphonse Mucha, became famous for their stylized depictions of women adorned with intricate floral patterns, blending human forms with natural elements seamlessly. Whiplash curves. The whiplash or S-curve motif is a hallmark of Art Nouveau design. This motif features elongated, sinuous curves that twist and flow like the tendrils of a vine or the waves of a stream. These curves can be seen in furniture legs, chair backs, table edges, and decorative motifs such as scrollwork and borders. The dynamic and fluid nature of the whiplash curve adds a sense of movement and vitality to Art Nouveau design, capturing the essence of natural growth and organic flow. Asymmetry. Unlike the symmetrical and balanced compositions of earlier design movements, Art Nouveau embraced asymmetry and irregularity. Designers rejected the rigid constraints of classical symmetry in favor of more fluid and dynamic arrangements. Furniture and decorative objects often feature asymmetrical shapes and proportions, reflecting the unpredictable beauty of nature. This asymmetry creates a sense of visual interest and complexity, inviting viewers to explore and discover the unexpected within the design. Rich materials. Art Nouveau designers favored high-quality materials that showcased the craftsmanship and skill of artisans. Furniture was often crafted from richly grained woods such as oak, mahogany, and walnut, while decorative objects featured luxurious materials like bronze, brass, copper, and Tiffany glass. These materials were meticulously crafted and often embellished with intricate carvings, inlays, and enameling. The use of such premium materials elevated Art Nouveau pieces from mere functional objects to works of art in their own right, worthy of admiration and display. Intricate detailing. Art Nouveau design is characterized by its attention to detail and ornamentation. Every surface, from furniture to decorative panels, is adorned with intricate patterns, textures, and motifs. Floral patterns, geometric shapes, and stylized forms abound, creating a rich tapestry of visual interest. Decorative techniques such as embossing, engraving, and repousse were employed to add depth and dimension to surfaces, while stained glass windows and mosaic tiles added color and vibrancy to interiors. This emphasis on intricate detailing transformed everyday objects into objects of beauty and fascination. Integration of art and design. Art Nouveau blurred the boundaries between fine art and design, with artists and designers collaborating closely to create cohesive and harmonious living spaces. Furniture, textiles, and decorative objects were treated as canvases for artistic expression, with each piece reflecting the aesthetic vision of its creator. Artists such as Gustave Klimt, Émile Gall, and Louis Comfort Tiffany played pivotal roles in bridging the gap between art and design, creating iconic works that combined beauty with functionality. This integration of art and design elevated Art Nouveau to more than just a decorative style. It became a philosophy that celebrated the unity of form and function in the pursuit of beauty. Yes, we conclude our journey through the enchanting world of Art Nouveau home decor. We hope you've been inspired by the beauty and creativity that this timeless style embodies. From the intricate detailing to the organic forms that echo the wonders of nature, Art Nouveau continues to captivate and inspire generations of artists, designers, and homeowners alike. Now, we invite you to share your thoughts and ideas with us. What aspects of Art Nouveau design resonated with you the most? Do you have any favorite pieces or unique design ideas inspired by this aesthetic? We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exploration of Art Nouveau, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into art, design, and culture. Remember to hit the like button if you found this video informative and share it with your friends who appreciate the beauty of artistic expression. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the captivating world of Art Nouveau. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep embracing the beauty that surrounds us. Thanks for watching.